One thing about Jamaicans, we're going to support. Love that for it. We are the vibes tonight. $20.
21.
No, don't disrespect me like that. Whoa, the greed. The greed.
I can see those. Sit here. Big up yourself. And you forget the glory card. Nobody else.
Period. Hi vlogs, what's up? So we're on our way to Maypen. And to be fair, I'm just vlogging because I can't take it nice in my head.
Hi, KAM for real.
Pick up the driver.
Driving and feeling.
In their feelings. But anyways, we're on errands and stuff. As you can tell by the background going on here, I am in Jamaica. And I'm more than happy to be here. Been here for a while, but you know, I was keeping a low profile because I needed just a little chill time. But now it's time for us to, you know, have a little enjoyment. So hopefully you enjoy this vlog. I will vlog what I can. And I'll see you when I see you, babies. Bye. Speed limit at 80, I go 60. Can't fault it, man. It's curving.
That's very.
Bye, friend.
Someone one way away.
We have vlog.
I want you and need you to be, yeah. Still in love, so in love, still in
Kirsten, say hello.
Are you gone?
So what? If you drive 60 kilometers. Okay, fine.
Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be? Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be? Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be?
Alright, I'm supposed to drink.
Well, 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 well. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be? Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be? Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be?
Back juice, no drink back juice from this. Back juice, girl.
One type of food.
Are you gonna be?
What a situation! What a situation! I have never changed a tire in my life, and I come to Jamaica in this situation. Imagine. Anyways, we're getting some help thanks to the Good Samaritans. One thing about Jamaicans, we're going to support. Love that for it. So hopefully everything works out. Poor mommy on the side of the road. Oh my gosh. Poor thing. This is where I used to go to high school. Glenmuir High School. Flagrants Veritatis Studio. Much better, but Flagrants, slow down.
We go to work. So we go to work. Right, where does the one?
Are some of the closest living relatives to modern manatees. Both of these species still use. Tune in on April 7th, 2024
Guys, at 9 o'clock. My guys, we mean UK soon. Princess Diana and Queen Elizabeth combined. The IT camera. Yo, no guys, wait. What's up guys, we're on our way now to St. Elizabeth. How long is it going to take that day around? How many hours? Like 1.5?
Hour and a half. Hour and 45 minutes.
Okay, so 1 hour 45 minutes. But have a look at enjoyment today. I'm excited, huh? So at the front you have Kason, say hello.
Come on, I'm not photo. What? What? You know the camera up here say wow.
Then you have Daddy. Say hello.
Hi. How are you?
Then alright. Stop laughing. Mommy, how are you?
I'm for real. Good morning.
Here, they're not always OGs, right? So, so there's, I'll see you guys on the road settings. Enjoy views of Jamaica.
We are faster than going through Boros and Scott House.
Yeah, because I mean, peeps, we made it. We're at Wise Falls, and we're waiting for the bus. Them two are running back all the way, and then we're here. So let's see a few things at Wise Heritage. Bro, the place out. Alright, let's find a place to place our things and let's get the adventure starting. I think we can go one furthest apart. Bro, this is crazy. Yeah.
There.
Right. We're ready up. Ready up my side. Ready up my side. One KAM.
Come for real.
Come for real, YouTube. Come for real. So tackle the zip line. Watch ya. Wait there, no guys, my earring drop out. Wait. Earring drop out, guys. This really hurt my feelings.
Oh boy!
I'm nervous, and also I'm tired. These stairs are not really, you know, not really easy, but we made it to the top, and I'm gonna try to see if I can zip line. Hopefully I get the momentum and the courage to do it. Not making any promises, but I want to. Yeah, God. You're going?
Yeah, I'm going.
On the zip line?
Yeah.
We will see. We will see. You hop on it again?
No.
I'm gonna do a jumper.
Okay, so.
Alright, come with me. Jump up. Follow me, your girl. Cool.
Very special, believe that truly. Take good care of me, like it's her duty. Won't you ride by my side, night and day? No letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady. When I'm with you, it's all about. Girl, I'm so glad he's made it. No letting go, no holding back. No holding back, no, yeah. When I'm with you, it's all about all of that, yeah. They say good things must come to an end, but I'm optimistic.
A predicament. We did not know, well, I did not know we were supposed to take our own food. I thought there was food on sale at the place. Turns out, happiness, you always know, you never know. So now we're having a team meeting. Okay? Alright guys, so 30 minutes, we all voted. 30 minutes. So can you come with me? The zip line?
But you won't get any footage of it.
True.
You
Alright,
have to hold the phone there and then.
now when my phone number and your mad?
You have to find this thing again.
But the double passing by. Yeah. Understand?
So now I say in a word to 2,500. By the way, it's 2,500 to go on a zip line. For me, it's cheap, but apparently not. Alright, for my father, it's a lot of money. Alright. From up there, so you come from up there, so, and then you come all the way for your store.
All the way over where?
To your store. Like, oh, you saw? It's up?
Yeah, it's in the first one.
No, guys, we don't believe in it. I just that's it to this, sir?
Yeah. You come up from one, you got this one, come down the way, then let go. See there, I just come. And then you go back through one bush, you go take care of my job. Up there, so.
Alright, no zip line then. Alright, fine, no zip line. Feel like you don't want me to do it.
You have to do what?
Alright, now do it.
Yes.
Guys, look on your ear. You think your ear will be like that? No. All in favor for my father to cut his hair, say aye, unanimously. You have to cut off. Yes? Tomorrow.
This is possible.
Beautiful, okay.
You can give a chance to
We
go.
love it. Alright, so take a picture of me. Wait. Guys, we're the vibes in our family, and the other two are them and the Liams.
Thank you. Much appreciated.
Till I find the
Oh, no, this is not right.
I will say that you
That's JP.
Alright guys, that is it. That's a wrap. We said at the same time, Jinx. Find a nail. Look it up. But I said find a nail, but you can't find a nail in the car. So we're now off. We're heading back to Clarendon, and then we're gonna grab something to eat. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the vlog so far, and you see how beautiful my country is. Jamaica is so nice, honestly. Yeah, guys.
KAM for real.
The #1 Jamaica Zoo in the city?
Jamaican Zoo.
Yeah.
Guys, let's go to Jamaica Zoo.
What did they?
After me don't know.
They didn't have nothing, just alligator or something.
Yo, we did come to me.
Yeah, I know.
And the bird.
They don't really have much. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna find something to eat.
They have the snake that they put around you.
Yeah.
And you can
Bite one girl.
A bitter girl?
The bitter girl. Yeah, maybe video.
Really?
No, thank you. No, thank you very much. We will not be going.
Maybe she did something.
So we're gonna
Maybe
head
she
off
was
now.
squeezing it or
No, she didn't touch
something.
it, she was afraid.
Alright, we're
So
gonna
like when
go
they on her,
Maybe the snake was just having a bad day. Because they do it all the time.
and nothing,
But even
and nothing, none of
How did we end up on a situation about this?
No, nobody need to do that.
Bro, like, welcome to my family where
But let
everything
me tell you
just
something. So Maxie went there, Maxie did it, and she
We're
was
not done for
afraid.
now.
And it was all right.
One thing, we will have a discussion around and around. See there now?
They now make that touch.
See there? You think you finished? It's not done. It's not done. We can never finish. Well, it looks like we finished. So we're gonna head off. We're gonna find some food to eat, and then we head back to Clarendon. By the way, guys, I don't know who is in St. Elizabeth, but why in a place of so hot? Come on, man.
We can't get any shrimp.
Yeah, guys.
We're not going with the shrimp.
We'll go. Daddy, we're past the middle quarters.
We can just go on the outside, we can just go up there.
Yeah, we can go up there.
Yeah, if you don't want
We
it.
don't want
just
it.
go up there.
I want it.
All in favor say aye. We're going to the middle quarters to get some shrimp. Alright guys, see you when I see you. Enjoy the cinematic views that I'm trying to make. Hopefully you're enjoying the vlog so far. And I will see you when I see you. Thank you for your support. And don't forget to subscribe. But stunted. Hello? Yeah. How much for it? A 1.5. Jamaica, nice, you know? I love Jamaica.
All the way me I come from.
The meal of Jamaica, bro.
Go on, find out over there. I'll tell me, go turn and turn back in.
No, enough to live.
Everything fresh. Come on. Get it. But I'm hungry, bro. Hunger. Real. Not lie you. We're in Clarendon, have some food. Yes, that's right. Here come. Bye. Vibes can't stop. Young man, please to take it. And two Roman raisins. Get out of this. Why you put pepper in it?
Say in that kitchen, you ruin the fun say.
Which funk say? I have no funk say.
Ruining it, man. You're ruining it. You're ruining it. You know them boy and a dog.
Guys, he really could curry shrimp and bami.
Your life around a moment and a place